Thought at least it might cure his hiccups.
Hi, beautiful boy. Mommy's beautiful.
Gotta rub your earlobes.
Beautiful boy with hiccups. Are you looking at mommy? No?
Where's Daddy?
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh. It's okay, buddy. Doesn't like his hiccups.
He's getting all the time.
Yeah. It's my boy.
I want you to come and soon. It's noon. For sleeping in my song. Bless you. Bless you, baby boy. My sweet baby Walker.
I won't talk.
I can't believe you're here.
I wouldn't be anywhere else, baby.
Yeah. Come in.